Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm not wearing gloves today because I'm doing this for myself and my grandmother. So today we are doing castor oil butter. Why butter? Because my grandmother is actually allergic to castor oil, but she loves castor oil on her wrinkles. It's actually helping her. So I've decided maybe let's try to make it as a butter. We're taking 2 tablespoons of shea butter. This is raw shea butter. Vitamin E oil. This vitamin E oil is for antioxidant. And castor oil. Make sure that you measure your castor oil. Don't use a lot of castor. There are people that are very sensitive to castor oil, but this one is actually pure castor oil. And then aloe vera oil. I make this aloe vera oil myself, guys. Ooh, this oil is the one. It's actually very good. You take at least 2 tablespoons of aloe vera oil, 2 tablespoons but full of shea butter, and then 2 tablespoons of castor oil. You mix everything, you put everything together, and then you do a double boiling. Do not melt the shea butter on the microwave because of its benefit. We don't want to kill the benefits of the castor oil and the aloe vera oil. So you must do a double boiler method. So what I did, I tried to boil hot water in the kettle, and then I pour it into a bowl, and then you pour your butter there to melt slowly but surely, so that you don't rush. Do it slowly. Don't put it on the microwave. After that, you pour your castor oil, your pure castor oil, into the oil, the melted oils, and then stir it very well. After stirring it, add your vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is not a preservative but antioxidant. It actually preserve your oils. It lasts longer. So you can just put your oils, because remember, this is not a water base, it's oil based product. So in this case we don't need preservative, but to be sure, if you want to sell it, put the preservatives. And then after that, you put the oils into the freezer. You can also put it in the fridge. It's just that I wanted the process to finish very quickly. That's why I put it in the freezer. Guys, you see the texture of this butter? That's how I want my butter to be. I don't want it to be very hard and not very soft. But if you want it very hard, you can put it in the deep freezer again, and then you can remove it again. You can remove and then use it immediately. So after that, I pour it in a sterilized bottle. Guys, use a sterilized bottle, please. And then it can last longer. Don't put water. If you want it to last for 6 months, don't put water into this mixture, into this butter, please, guys. And then apply it on the affected areas. Use it this morning and evening. Morning and evening after you wash, you apply the butter into affected areas. The benefits of this butter: it hydrates, soften, brightens the skin. It's good for anti-aging, anti-acne, also for sunburn. It also firms your skin. It rejuvenates your skin. So it's actually very good for stretch marks and wrinkles. I made this for my grandmother because of a stretch mark, guys. It's actually helping. I'll come up with a picture and I'll post it here as well so that you guys can see. This is how I want my texture to be. It's very nice and it looks like honey. It's not honey, guys. It's not honey. It's butter. It's butter. Please don't forget